All ONE+ batteries use high-power cells, specifically designed to meet the needs of our system, and have electronics designed to make the most of these cells, ensuring best-in-class performance, runtime, and durability. And to suit different users, we have a full range of different batteries, from our entry-level and lightest, right up to the bigger, more powerful batteries packed with cutting-edge technology. For many tools, the lower capacity batteries are great. Tools like drill drivers, hedge trimmers, glue guns. The ergonomic benefits of these smaller packs are huge. But for more demanding tasks, we have higher capacity batteries and the new high energy range. High energy batteries are the next generation of power. They use larger cells which hold more energy and have more efficient energy flow. So on high demand applications like sawing, grinding, or lawn mowing, less heat is generated. Instead, the batteries give more power to the tools to get the job done faster, which means you get tools with longer run times and more power, allowing them to work harder for longer. And with the built-in fuel gauge, you'll always know if you have enough power to finish the job. ONE+ also has a comprehensive range of brushless tools. The main difference between a brushed and brushless motor is that in a brushed motor, you have these carbon brushes, which rub against the commutator here, creating friction, which wastes energy. In a brushless motor, copper windings are charged without any touching parts. Instead, electronics monitor the position of the rotor and charge the windings with zero friction. RYOBI has a patented electronic control system which optimizes both the timing and angle of our magnetic fields to boost performance. ONE+ is already the largest 18-volt battery system for the DIY market, and we're continuously launching new products, which means you will always have access to the latest technologies. And what's great about ONE+ is that you can customize your range to suit your needs, making it a super flexible 18-volt system of tools for the home and garden. So if you're trying to choose a power tool system, ONE+ is the obvious choice.